Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the YouTube or YouTube Music app and finding the exact track you want. Pick a short, distinctive segment. Once located, make sure you have permission or use content you own. This prevents copyright issues. Next, download the track if you have premium or record the segment with a screen audio recorder. You need a local audio file. Finally, transfer that file to your computer or phone storage so you can trim it. This prepares you for editing the ringtone. Now load the saved audio into a ringtone editor or simple audio app. You can use Audacity, GarageBand, or a mobile editor. Trim to a maximum of 30 seconds so it functions as a ringtone. Choose a clear fade in or out to avoid abrupt cuts. Once done, export as MP3 or M4A. If you need an iPhone ringtone, convert that exported file to M4R. Make sure the bitrate is between 128 and 256 kbps for good balance of size and quality. Then name the file for easy finding. To finish, move the ringtone to the correct folder. On Android, copy to ringtones or notifications. On iPhone, import M4R via iTunes or Finder and Sync. Then open Settings, assign the new tone to your phone or specific contacts, and test with an incoming call to confirm timing and volume. If it doesn't appear, restart your device and rescan media. Troubleshooting tip: if the tone won't play, reconvert with a different encoder and recheck file permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.